XPENG revealed its female humanoid robot Iron, and the walking alone shocked the entire tech world. Meanwhile, this month Elon Musk dropped new insights of Optimus Gen 3 quietly leveling up inside Tesla's factory. Two electric car companies building humanoids and taking completely different paths. So in this video, we're breaking down Iron versus Optimus to see who's ahead, who's falling behind, and who might actually win the humanoid race. Let me start with the walking, because that's where this whole controversy began. Iron walks onto stage at XPENG's AI Day event in Guangzhou, and the entire room goes silent. She's moving like a fashion model, smooth, natural, almost graceful. Her hips sway naturally because XPENG designed her with an actual feminine body structure, wider hips, gentle proportions. The movement is so fluid that half the crowd thinks they're being pranked. People are whispering, pulling out their phones, convinced there's a human inside a robot costume. That's how good the walking is. We're talking about 82 degrees of freedom distributed throughout her body, with sensor arrays along her torso and this U-shaped pelvis design that keeps her balanced even when bumped. It's not just walking, it's performing. Now flip to Tesla's Optimus. This robot walks at about 5 miles per hour through Tesla's factory floor. It's steady, practical, maybe a bit stiff in the knees if we're being honest. But here's what matters. It's walking autonomously in a real work environment, navigating around equipment, carrying objects, doing actual tasks. No theatrics, no stage performance, just a robot clocking in for work. The movement looks robotic because it is robotic, and Tesla isn't trying to hide that. They built Optimus to function, not to wow you with how human it looks. And yeah, sometimes in demos it looks a little clunky. Takes 30 seconds to figure out how to grab a tool. But it's working, right now, in the real world. But here's the crazy part about that XPENG reveal. The CEO, He Xiaoping, knew exactly what people were thinking. So mid-presentation, he does something brilliant. He has Iron stop, raise her arms, and engineers start peeling back layers of synthetic skin on stage. Live, in front of everyone. Cameras zoom in on exposed machinery, active robotic joints, internal motors. Iron keeps walking the entire time with her insides showing. That moment killed every skeptic in the room. This wasn't smoke and mirrors. This was a legitimate humanoid robot with vision-powered neural networks and modular actuators borrowed straight from XPENG's electric vehicle supply chain. Let's talk design philosophy, because this is where these two robots split into completely different universes. Iron is designed to make you feel something. XPENG gave her distinctly female features on purpose. Not because robots need gender, but because they want her to feel approachable, warm, emotionally appealing. They're building trust through aesthetics. She's wrapped in full-coverage soft skin embedded with touch sensors. You can customize her body shape, gender, even facial details like you're configuring a new car online. XPENG is betting that humans will accept robots faster if they look like us, move like us, feel less like machines, and more like companions. Tesla went the opposite direction. Optimus has this clean, industrial, utilitarian look, black and white color scheme, gender-neutral body structure, modular design so you can swap parts easily when something breaks. It's function over form taken to the extreme. Elon's not trying to make you fall in love with Optimus. He's trying to make you rely on it. The design screams efficiency. It's a worker, not a friend. And honestly, that's the point. Now the CEOs have totally different pitches for why their approach works. He Xiaoping says Iron's human-like design isn't just about looks, it's about data collection. His argument is that robots shaped like humans can better understand human environments. They gather better in spaces designed for people, which makes their AI learning more effective. Plus, he says building trust matters. If people are comfortable around Iron, they'll accept robots in homes, stores, hospitals. He literally announced a fourth law of robotics on stage. Robots cannot disclose any human privacy. That's how seriously XPENG is taking the social integration angle. Elon Musk. He's talking about Optimus becoming a universal helper. He's mentioned prices around $20,000 to $30,000 once mass production hits. His vision is Optimus doing factory work first, then moving into homes for chores, elderly care, any repetitive task humans don't want to do. It's practical, scalable, almost boring in how straightforward it is. But that's classic Tesla. Change the world, but make it look inevitable. So what can these robots actually do right now? Iron is being deployed in commercial spaces, retail stores, showrooms, customer assistance roles. She can recognize everyday objects like cups and books, track people moving around rooms, hold delicate items without crushing them. Her conversational AI handles casual interactions in Mandarin and English. She can greet customers, answer questions, even do multi-step routines like watering plants or setting a table. XPENG is keeping her out of factories and unstructured home environments for now because durability is still a concern. She's built for people interaction, not heavy lifting. Optimus is already inside Tesla factories. Right now, doing simple tasks autonomously, sorting objects, carrying items, moving around without human supervision. Those 11 degrees of freedom per hand mean Optimus can pick up eggs without breaking them, which sounds simple until you realize how much precision that requires. Tesla is using the same neural network technology from their full self-driving cars, so Optimus learns by watching humans and gets smarter with more data. Sometimes it misinterprets tasks in demos, sure, but it's grinding away in real work conditions, which is further than most humanoid robots have gotten. Here's where things get interesting with production and price. XPENG announced mass production starting November 2025. They're targeting $15,000 to $20,000 per unit because they're leveraging their EV supply chain. Same modular actuators, same battery tech, same manufacturing infrastructure. That's cheaper than most new cars. Iron uses the first all-solid-state battery in the robotics industry, which is huge for safety and energy density when robots are around people constantly. Tesla says large-scale Optimus production begins around 2026. Elon's thrown out numbers like 1 million units first, then 10 million, eventually 100 million. Both companies are betting that mass production will crash prices, making humanoid robots as accessible as smartphones became. And honestly, if anyone can scale production to absurd levels, it's Tesla. They've done it with cars. Let me break down the real strengths here without downplaying either machine. Iron's walking is genuinely the most human-like I've seen. That reveal moment where they showed her internals while she kept moving? Mind-blowing. Her design makes her perfect for customer-facing roles where people need to feel comfortable. She's expressive, gentle, built for emotional connection. Each hand has 22 degrees of flexibility for intricate gestures. Her vision system with wide-angle cameras and LiDAR means she can actively map rooms and recognize obstacles. The VT brain system running on 3 Turing AI chips with 2250 TOPS of computing power is serious hardware. And XPENG's over-the-air updates mean Iron gets smarter over time, with fleet learning skills spread across all units. Optimus is just relentlessly practical. More advanced hand dexterity overall, proven AI learning systems adapted from millions of miles of real-world driving data, better at delicate manipulation tasks. It's being tested in actual factory conditions doing actual work. Tesla's transparent development process means we see failures and successes. The modular design makes repairs easier. And Tesla's massive ecosystem means third-party developers will build applications for Optimus eventually. Both have weaknesses. Iron's hand control isn't quite as precise as Optimus, around 8 to 9 degrees of freedom per hand versus 11. She's newer to AI development in robotics. Her track record is mostly limited to China so far, and there's limited third-party developer support. She hesitates around stairs or unusual surfaces in early demos. Optimus can look stiff and robotic when moving. It's still relatively early in development despite the factory tests. Tesla's timeline predictions are famously unrealistic. Remember, full self-driving next year for 5 years straight. Limited real-world deployment beyond Tesla's own facilities. And that higher expected price point might keep it out of reach for regular consumers initially. Here's my honest take. Iron is the robot that looks human. Optimus is the robot that works like a worker. XPENG is betting that emotional design and affordability will win consumer acceptance. Tesla is betting that superior technology and proven AI will dominate long-term. Both could be right. Both are pushing the future forward, just in totally different styles. We're watching history unfold, and the wildest part? These are car companies. They went from building electric vehicles to building walking machines in a few years. That acceleration is staggering. Whether you want the robot that feels like a companion or the robot that feels like a tool, both are coming soon. And that future is looking pretty robotic.